Yeah, this is my first time to prepare brown bread, and nice one like this one from Sun Oven. I never knew that I can make a nice bread like this. Wonderful day.
This is a wonderful day. Mary Jo has taught us how to bake a Sun Oven bread, and now it is out. It don't look like ours usually, but this one is a bit. It
Go ahead
looks
and
so
cut.
sweet.
Go ahead and cut
by
it.
looking, it's a wonderful bread.
How nice it is.
Okay. Start cutting. Cut me a piece. Slice a piece of bread.
Watch your fingers.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Bread.
Clap for
It is a
me.
bread. Surely we have been struggling to make a bread. Since I was born, I've never made a bread, surely. I've been preparing cake, biscuits, but not bread. This is a wonderful thing. A nice one like this one. Hey, magic.
Go ahead, take a bite.
It's real bread.
Take a bite, Julie. Go ahead, take a bite. Tell me what you think.
How do you feel it?
Very nice. It tastes nice.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Mom,
Yeah. Wow. This is wonderful.